County General, how do you read? Over.
Read you 10-2. Go ahead, dispatch.
General, implement disaster protocol. Mass casualty alert. 32 vehicle pileup on the Kennedy Expressway. Over.
Is this a drill? Over.
Negative, General. This is not a drill. 18 majors, 29 minors. Fire at scene. Rescue vehicle access and communication limited by weather. We're calling out a Plan 1. Over.
Roger, dispatch. Do you have an estimate on the number of casualties? Over.
50 to 100. Over.
How many are coming to us? Over.
Mercy's power
Malik,
is
can
down.
you turn
may
this
get
up?
them all. Over.
This is the scene on the Kennedy Expressway south of the Grand exit, where 28 cars and 3 trucks were involved in a collision just minutes ago. According to reports from the scene, the accident started when a single car went into a 360-degree spin, hitting everything in its way. Police say at least 41 people are injured and others are still trapped in their cars. To make matters worse, emergency vehicles are having trouble getting to the scene on the roads that are still unplowed.
Oh boy.
This is Kelly Simpson.
Here we go.
And as you can see, Art, it's a horrifying situation here on the Kennedy.